Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can transfer money from PayPal to Binance. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you guys two ways and see which one works for you best, and then you can do it. Okay, so you can transfer like money from PayPal to Binance. Now let me log in into my PayPal account, and I'm going to be showing you guys the first method which a lot of people use. Okay, so as you can see guys, I just linked a card here to my PayPal, as you can see. So this is like a Payoneer card. Okay, so what you need to do is to sign up for Payoneer, and then you want to just enter, like, you just need to add like Payoneer card and Payoneer bank account to transfer money from PayPal to Payoneer, and then you can use the card. This is just a virtual card. Okay, keep in mind this is a virtual card that can be used on any website, like on any e-commerce website. Okay, so as you can see, this card is going to be virtual, so you don't really have to wait to receive the physical card. This is just a virtual card that can be used online. Okay, so in case you don't have a Payoneer account or you don't want to create a Payoneer account, you can just link here your card, like your local bank card. It's kind of like, it must like be Visa card, so that you can start sending money from PayPal to your Visa card, and then you can take that Visa card and you can start buying crypto by clicking on deposit and then click on buy crypto, buy bank transfer or card or more, and then you can just buy crypto using the card that you link to your PayPal to send, like for sending money from PayPal to that card, and then you can use that card here to buy crypto from Binance. Now I know this is an easy thing to do. Like, a lot of people thought about this before watching this video. I believe that because, you know, probably you have like PayPal balance and you want to buy crypto using that PayPal balance. You don't really have a card. Okay, so completely understandable. So what you need to do in this case, you want to go to RTM. Okay, RTM is a very good it's like, I'm going to explain to you guys how you can use it. So just search for rtm.com. okay, and this is how you can use RTM. Okay, I don't know why this is taking so long. Anyway, I'm going to try to, okay, I'm going to try to log in into my RTM account. It seems like I have like ad blocker or something like that. That's why I'm not it's not like working. So I'm going to delete ad blocker here. All right, now as you can see, RTM, I'm going to log in into RTM, as you can see here. Okay, actually RTM. Okay, I'm going to log in into my RTM account. All right, so now I'm going to click here. Okay, and I'm going to log in into my RTM account. I already have an account here. Now what you guys need to do is to click here in the left. Of course, you will have to give them your ID, your photo, like your card ID, like your ID, national ID, so they can verify your account. Now after you verify the account, you click on add and then click on start now. Now you want to add the money from PayPal here. Add the money PayPal. And as you can see, PayPal card balance, PayPal balance. Of course, it's going to be $15 minimum, so you can't really like withdraw more than, like, you have to send like minimum of like $15 from PayPal to RTM, and then from RTM you can send to Binance. Okay, you can send to Binance, and then that's it. That's exactly how it works. It's very good and it's trustworthy. I've done a lot of research about RTM and it works really cool. So you just need to select here PayPal, and you just need to enter the amount you want to like as you can see, I'm going to click, for example, on add. Okay, I'm going to add the money. As you can see, most recent, which payment you want to use today. I want to use PayPal. Now you can send from PayPal to RTM $100. Okay, and as you can see, this is exactly how much you are going to receive. Okay, this is not USA dollars, of course, so it's more than that. Okay, so each one, use the C, you are going to get $1.100. Okay, so as you can see here, guys. Okay, and the like transfer time is going to be 10 minutes. It's not really a long time. Now after you receive the money, after you add the money from PayPal to RTM, then you can click on withdraw, and then you can click on start now, and then you can use Binance Pay, as you can see, and then you can enter here the amount you want to withdraw to your Binance, and that's it. And then you click on continue, and this is exactly how much you will receive. So if you send, for example, $100 from from like RTM to Binance, this is how much you will receive. Okay, you will receive like here, as you can see, 98 USDT, 98 USDT. Okay, as you can see here. So the fee is really small. Okay, the fee is not really that expensive, as you can see. So that's exactly, guys, how you can add the money. Like I said, you go to PayPal, you add the money to your RTM, and from RTM you add the money, you send the money from RTM to Binance. Okay, and other than this, there is no way. So there is no way other than this. Of course, there is a fee which is $1. Yeah, I understand that, but this is just the best way, guys, to transfer money from PayPal to Binance. Okay, so if you need any help, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Just go to the comments of this video and tell me exactly what you think about this, and tell me your questions. I reply to every single one. Drop a like, and see you guys in the next one.